Did you know that the is the most used word in English language? When to put the. When to put the. The is used in the following cases. The is used in the following cases. To designate a group of people. To designate a group of people. The elderly. The elderly. The poor. The poor. The Canadians. The Canadians. The decades. The decades. This is a plane from the 1930s. This is a plane from the 1930s. She was born in the 80s. She was born in the 80s. To designate things that everyone knows about. To designate things that everyone knows about. The stars. The stars. The earth. The earth. The sun. The sun. The moon. The moon. Geographical names: oceans, rivers, island groups, and mountain ranges. Geographical names: oceans, rivers, island groups, and mountain ranges.